Ngithi hayi man guys ningahleki ngishifte ngimthathe ngimikise dining room. Bangimikise dining room. Hayibo mntana makana movement ubhizi. Ngathi ilimi liyarola amehla wabuya. Lo mfana angihage makangihaga. Ngithi I'm okay. Athi khweni pray mama ngithi sengithandasile ngicedile ngikhulumile naye sekuvumile ngiyavuma. Ngia-accept akahamba umntanami. I didn't want much. Ngifuna iside labo. Kuthi why guys? Why niyenzile?
Hello, welcome back to Jenny's with More. My name is Mabatu Mutwani. You're most welcome. Here today, we are going to be talking about a story that is surely going to touch your hearts. It's an emotional one. But before we get to that, guys, kindly subscribe to the channel. I see most of you are watching, but you're not subscribing. Subscribe and like the video. And of course, if you would like to be part of us, come tell your story, like give someone hope, motivate someone, or whatever it is that you would feel like you want to share with the world, do take the number on the screen and write to us. We will definitely welcome you here with warm hands. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Now, I'm not alone. I am with someone who's going to be telling her story. And like most of you always say that I'm interrupting a lot. Today, I'm not going to say anything at all. I'm just going to be here for the listening. Let's take it away to Mama Bongile. I don't want to introduce her before she introduces herself. So Mama Karabo, take it away.
Hi, I'm Spongile Makakula, Karabo's mother from Etsakane. So today I'm going to tell my story, Gokarabo, and how it has affected me as umzali.
Mama Karabo, please tell us a little bit about yourself because the viewers would want to know who you are, Utswakai, where you come from, and maybe how many siblings and kids you have, just a little bit, Nji.
Okay, I'm Spongile from Etsakane, Israel, and I'm a mother of, I will say 5 kids, but the one passed away, Ukarabo. I'm left with 4 kids. I'm a working woman, so ngiyazithandela ukuhleka ngiphansi. Most humble person ever. Ngiyathanda ukulalela ke umuntu makakhuluma. I feel touched umuntu makakhuluma istory sakhe. So today I'm the one who's going to tell my story. I hope I will get the help that I need.
So, Mama Karabo, we are going to give you all the time, all the time to tell your story, and I will not interrupt you unless it's necessary. So, take it away. Start up Karabo ke mang. Let's remember Karabo a little bit, just a little bit. And then, from the story goes to now.
Okay, uKarabo bokumntwana ophansi ofuze mina ke. Ongathanda ukukhuluma kakhulu. Into mayimlimaza bekayikhuluma that time, and uKarabo ke beka fun family umuntu bekayenza ama jokes even if situation boyibona ukuthi inzima but nizohleka because uzonenzela leyo joke leyo ningasayiboni ukuthi yazini inzima, but most of the time bekanokuthi sivalela azivalela ngathandi nje ukuthi impi akayifuni umsindo akawuthandi, but makane family yakhe beyiza kucala bekabathanda abantwana bakibo hands on.
Nilungwana bukai?
Number 2.
Okay.
Number 2 wami bekayenza umatric.
How old was she?
17.
Oh, okay.
So
then Karabo gets bullied at school. Please tell us what happened. What happened?
Okay. Indaba kaKarabo kahle started last year. It started last year. Size si-intervene si-family. uKarabo was hit by uthisha esikolweni. Amthathela isikhwama sakhe. I went to the school mina njengomzali nosisi wami Zaya. Ngathi ngiyokhuluma ne-SGB ukuthi please guys intervene umntana ushayiwe une-5 finger. We sat down ku boardroom yesikolo. Masihlala ku boardroom yesikolo, it was my sister. And then mina because bengikwatile. Ngaphuma. Ngashiya usisi wami spoke to nabo. They failed uKarabo bathi unamanga. every time umntana makazoyenza into, they will tease bathi baby mama's baby. Just because uzile
came.
batshela umama.
And then you went to the school, so
Then earlier this year again, I went to the school again. She was also bullied by 3 girls this time. Bahlekisa ngaye the way anuka ngakhona, because isini ngathi iqale eklasini bekunephela.
okay.
So lelo phela lelo bathi yo elaka Karabo. They made fun of her and they will laugh because bekahlala phambili. They will laugh at her, speak ill about her. So because angakwazi ukusikhulumela, angakwazi ukulwa crowd imhlula, angana crowd because she had one friend esikolweni. Yiyo bekahlala naye eklasini yonke into bayishare bayithu.
So, mommy, when these things happen, Koko Karabo, does she come home and be like, Mom, this is what happened? Does she tell? Was she vocal about it?
Sometimes she will tell the usiswam because usiswam akasebenzi. Mina I'm working, I only just come home late.
Okay.
So obviously ngikhathele anginasikhathi esingaka so interact naye. But she will come and say, Gogo, yo sisi. Mamncane yazi banyenze lokho esikolweni, then uzozingena ekamereni ayosivalela athathe ifoni yakhe bokumngani wakhe. From lapho uzombona ngenyembezi, lapho imood ichintshile, self confidence yakhe ichintshile, bakungathi ku right esikolweni uzombona ke enjoy. But makungathi kuyabheda uzombona momvusa athi angeke esikolweni. Why Karabo ungayi esikolweni? Hayi ngithi uyathanda ukulova wena because mina ngivuka naye kuseni. Hayi uyathanda ukulova wena man. Uzoyenza ukuthi bangibize esikolweni in i-absenteeism yakhe beyingenye indlela.
Asayigezi bona bathu.
Beyingenye indlela. So this year early ngaye esikolweni, it was on Saturday. Spoke to the class teacher ngitshela ukuthi this is what happening to umntana akalalanga the whole night. So agezi ku class today. Can you please ungibizela abantwana abasona so I want to talk to them. Ngibakhuza ukuthi this eniyenzayo nimantombazana, we are not supposed to do it. Nina instead funeke nibambane ninodwa. Spoke to the teacher nabo umntwana la ngakhuluma nabo because ngingafuni ukuyenza big deal. I didn't know mina ukuthi it's that big. Bengicabanga ukuthi kanti umntanami she's suffering inside.
It's affecting her.
It's affecting
majorly.
her. So sometimes she will come back say, Mama, kusiswami, Mama, Gogo, this and that happened. Then until recently, I come back home ngibuya emsebenzini, ngithengela usisi wakhe ucala ukuthola umsebenzi. So uthi ngimthengele perfume uzoyibhadala amanti. It's like, it's fine. Ngiza ne perfume yaka sisi wakhe. Athi why ningangithengelanga? Ngithi mina you know mina nawe asithengi le perfume edurayo. Mina nawe sithenga lawa cheap wethu. Athi you don't understand ukuthi banyenzana esikolweni, then wabhena wakhala.
Yo, this means Karabo went through a lot.
Ngithi mina bakwenzani? Yabo mina no trick nyani bakwenzani? Hayi Karabo wena uyathanda man.
Because when you don't know,
I don't know how deep it is lento lena kumntanami. Ngithi uyathanda, but hayi ngizokuthengela mangibuyela emsebenzini zamani ngibone ukuthi angeke ngiye down nginokuthengela cheap, but anginamali. Ahambe ayi camping esikolo. Athi mama ngifuni ngecamping.
Oh, she didn't want to go.
Ngithi yabona ke into yesikole ngifuni kubizwa mina, bathe umntana ongayi camping laphaya angeke aphale. Angifuni nje into zokugijima esikolweni mina Karabo. Angizifuni izinto like zokugijima esikolweni angeke. Anginje esikolweni mina ngimsebenzini. Like mina ngisitshela ukuthi phela ufune kube fem mama ufem angifuna ukuthethe. Khombisa ukuthethisa ngithaya ngeke how uyalova mntana.
You are going to the camp.
Uyaye camping.
Any mother would have said that.
Ngithi uyaye camping. Athi angini. Do you know ukuthi makose sothenga ezinye izinto azozidinga ecamping? Like besithethisana ukuthi geza.
She didn't want to go.
Athi angifuni. Ngithi ke athi angifuni. Sahamba sikwatelene ukugibela itaxi. do you know ukuthi ufuna uma ushopha nomntana wakho man ufuna
Excitement.
excitement nani mara umntana bekanganayo uyayifuna le right uyayithatha le right ushoda ngani shoda izinto zokugeza like excitement kuye beyingekho kanti unjani lo mntwana mina ngisitshela ukuthi ayi vele because ayi bathi phela ingwenyama
You have to be a mother.
yeah understand ngisitshela nje ukuthi hey ukusalayo
Why?
uzoya lapho ngimthumele ngithi hamba uthenga ama-shirts mina ngizosala la ngibhadale kule line le yinde wena hamba uthenga ama-shirts go e-store so uyothenga amashini uyonke uqala bangithengela i-shirt elidurayo eliyi-1 nge-260 ayibo azange khona ukuthethe down ngathi ngambheka uyangilaya vele lo and mina ngimthuma i2 ukuthi azoba nawo ngisho uhamba 5 days azowashintsha kulawa anawo endlini ngisitshela nje ukuthi uzoshintsha kulawa nayo athi hayi ngithole lawo awekho ama-shirt but apheli okay samsiyodla ke sisicedile ukuthenga ulambile hayi ngilambanga tanami would never say no especially makahamba nami but that day wathi angilambanga ngathi hayi okay sizothi masigibela ke sithenga ama-snacks sithenge vele iphakethe lama-snacks ngithi hayi mina ngikhalela amakhekhe ombhako sisithenge namakhekhe awuwafuni hayi angiwafuni okay isikhathi sokupaka ngapaka ekuseni
So you're the one who packed her bag? Yeah.
I'm the one who packed the bag with the help of ama-cousin wakhe
And then she didn't want to?
Karabo ayini gogo ngeke ukhona utshela lo mntana wakho ukuthi angiyi
She didn't want to go.
if only I knew bengizothi vela ngayi
I think she didn't explain to you or understand. She didn't make it as clear as it was to her. Mama, this is the extent of the situation. So if nahu the extent of the situation, maybe we understand
then
from her
ukuthi
point
at
of view.
least ukuthi
Yeah.
it's ingizami ukuthi hayi angayi or
Or
attend
kunele other
because it's
measures.
not far from ekhaya esikolweni
Oh, the
at
camp.
least ukuthi i-camp cause base esikolweni at least ngabe ngithathe umntana ngathi uzoya every day ekuseni
and come
uhambe ubuye uhambe ubuye so the cousin yakhe yathi no Karabo uzolala nami mina ngizocela because bebaba divided mina ngizotshela uthisha ukuthi mina nawe we are sharing izinto and she did that.
So they stayed together.
They stayed together nomngani just ukuthi abe khona for yena because she knows ukuthi uKarabo angisho abantwana bayaxoxa and she knows ukuthi how vulnerable uKarabo ukanjani and uKarabo abangani eclassini ukuthi ababathandi so umngani wakhe uye so usabe that thing ukuthi izobe ingenzakalele campaign until one sengizwa after nami ukuthi that day base campaign she was on a period. She had to attend the class without batting because bebathatha izinto zakhe. And she came back makabuye camping. She was not okay. Because a camping by bekhamba abantwana basendlini by 3.
Okay.
That's 2 girls, 1 boy. Lowo mfana they called us, said udistrata isikolo and everything. Ngono simthathe azo attenda of the school yabona abhiza attenda ama camp yakhe yena siyabuya ntambama
Oh, so go camping nali distractive.
yeah but udistractive umfana and everything so we had umalumo hamba uyobathatha bayomlanda and when she comes back she said mara why mina ningangithathanga because nami bengifuna ukubuya ekhaya mina I couldn't survive le ndawo le ngathi uzoba njani next day because you are going to varsity uzokhona ukuhlala ngaphandle
You have to
kwethu
do things on your own.
funa kufunde ukuthi angikho asikho uzobona abanye abantu ama character wabo are different lapha so nawe funa kufunde ungabheki thina kuphela kunabantu abashawutayo lapha abalwayo abayinjani so nawe ufuna mina I thought ukuthi isimple into yakhe we understand until it was Friday athi angivuli nesikolo isikolo bezivula on Tuesday.
Okay, ma'am, before Riako, she goes to camp. Hatsana go camping. There is something that happens to her. The bullying.
The bullying
Yeah,
continues.
it's a khala go camping.
Exactly.
Bamutsela,
Isikhwama sakhe sokugeza toilet
and she's on her period.
on a period. Now, to say athathe atshintshe ngento zakasisi wakhe. athathe ilento zakasisi wakhe a-attende because angisho ukhona ukukhuluma wena awukwazi bakubizwa ngani ngomama sibheba ngisho ukhona ukuzivoice ngeke uthi teacher ubani nozibani ugela umthathele izinto zakhe they are making fun okay ahamba yo attenda come back nazo izinto zakhe zokugeza sezikhona.
They returned it after she attended.
Iclass.
Yeah, okay. So she was bullied at camp. This is why she didn't want to go to the camp because she basically just knew her.
This is gonna happen. Game foot.
Okay.
And angikwazi ukucomplaina because ngumama's baby masmina. Ngizothi ngiyacomplaina bazothi uqalile umama's baby. So better ngife ngayo ngaphakathi.
When she comes back home, did she tell anyone, Hore, this is what happened to me?
Utshele i-cousin yakhe after to like bengekho right guys. Lapha yabe kungekho right for mina I'm no longer going to ukuthi ngihambe ngiyofunda nabanye abantu ngabhale ngifunde ekhaya. Angisakhona. But that day makabuya mane camping bekunotshintsho. Obvious umntana ngisho ubuyile camping so hleki nefamily yakho ngisho.
You must be happy.
You must be happy. But you can see ukuthi there's something ebusweni bakhe. There's something but akayisho.
She doesn't say.
Akakhulumi nami akakhulumi uthulile. Okay beka close nosisi wami. Awuse beka close kakhulu nosisi wami. Beka close nabo sisi mami beka khona ukukhuluma nomamkhulu wakhe nabo mamkhulu bakhe. We understand. Mina because ezinye izinto it's I was suffering from something else.
Okay.
So began protector nami ukuthi lento le ingalimaza umama kakhulu. I understand the protection bekangicabangela nami.
Okay.
So umuntu bekakhona ukucoca naye abomamkhulu bakhe. And bani ilanga lonke abasebenzi uma kasesikolweni uyakhona ukuthi hey mama
this is
happening yabona. So umamkhulu wayisukumela yempama waya and isikolo sa blame umamkhulu umntwana ukuthi hayi uzosidelela in and athi mara nyangifeyila umntana ushayiwe ngempama naye.
And it was not the first time Leho complained about something.
Thing eyenzakala esikolweni. Okay fine. Kuhamba isikhathi nje iyenzakala futhi now camping. Okay Karabo on Friday athi mina angivuli. Hayibo Karabo uzovula. Hey mntana sibongile uyasaba isikolo. Like nomntana kibo. Hayi man Karabo kanti wayisaba isikolo kangaka. Yazi mina bengisithanda isikolo and mntana kibo bekafunda khona. Hayi man, hayi Karabo uyasaba isikolo. Athi angeke understand.
Oh.
Sister angeke understand. Hayi man sekusele 4 months. Uhambe washing sis. Wash uniform. Buyele esikolweni Tuesday. Karabo uyenza matric.
Focus.
Uzama ukuthi lento le athayi na futhi nje ngizenzela ihospitality manje angisayi kuyenza le bengifuna ukuyenza hospitality ngiyapheka phela ngihlwana nedust ngithi nayi ifuna mama kuswa. You understand? Funa kuphase Karabo. Mina kuzobuya cala ke umntana wami uzobuya fail. Hayi mama uyathanda ukungicompare wena ngithi hayi uzobuya cala. Angaze ngafaila no baba akaze zafaila nomntana ke ngikaze wafaila. You understand? Sikaze safaila. So uzobuya cala ke uyafaila uzofela ekugcineni. Ungaze wafaila.
And you already done 4 months left.
Ngithi hayi man Karabo athi angimi esikolweni. Hayibo sithi hayi uyadlala siqhubeke ngelanga. Asiphinde futhi athi angiye esikolweni on that Monday. I went to work that Monday.
So that Monday get the kolo dibulo.
That Monday, Tuesday funeka esikolweni.
Okay. Okay.
That Monday. Washa nomntana kibo. So mina on Sunday bengishiye washing yami ukuthi bazoyineka Monday. Nami bengiwasha because siwasha separate. That Monday, she started drinking magawasha tablets. Wow, mixed out wonke. Plus minus 56 tablets. Our puza shooting at 3, 4, 3, 4. but bayambona ukuthi there's something ayenzayo. Uphume ekamereni, ungene uye empompini uyaphuza, ubuhlala phansi. Athi kumamami, mamji, mangingazibulala ungathini. Athi mama, because ugogo. Hayi anginankinga mina ngadla stop nenyama. -1 plate. Athi okay mamji. Abuyi. Mamji bangazibulala. Phinda hamba uyenza into yakhe, phinda abuye. Angena phuma. But bathi bayambona.
Or she's not herself.
Athathe ingubo ayohlala ekitchen, futhi bahlele ekitchen ababheke bonke. Athathe ingubo azimbathise yona. Karabo angilinda ukuthi ngibe emsebenzini that day. Ngene emsebenzini ngithi ngikwatile. Mangithi ngithinta iwashing yami, imanzi futhi bawashile banike yabo kucala. Eyami bayinike late. That day ngikwatile ukuthi why nenza leso ngimcedile nomntana kini. Yabona nini umuntu uyanenzela but nina nifuna ukumenzela. Eze ahambe nami masithula le washing athi mama moya wami ngathi uyaphuma emzimbeni. Umzimba wami uyasala. Ngithi mina yekela le washing hamba uphuza uthela ushukela okuningi uphuza amanzi. Maybe ukuthi ulambile. Ahambe. Abuye futhi. Athi why ungangiphenduli mangibhalela incwadi ngithi mangibhalele imessage ngithi ngiyibonile. I love you momos nina sis.
Oh, she sent you a message saying she loves you.
It's I love you momos more than anything. That's okay. Ngene endlini ngicede ngewashing ngene endlini ngibathulele vele nabo. Ngibhadela abanye abancane. Angisageza shuthi uphumile simbona. Uphumile abuye akasakhuluma amehlo sawagqikile sabambambile. Immediately mangimbamba bayahleka endlini bacabanga ukuthi uyenza ama-jokes because bekayi comedian bathi yini Karabo. Ngithi hayi man guys ningahleki ngishifte ngimthathe ngimikise dining room. Bangimikise dining room. Hayibo umntana makana movement ubhizi ngathi limi liyarola amehla wabuye. Ngimthela ngamanzi ngimbhemise impepho like impepho ukuthi abheme abuye aqisheke. Next ngithi biza ambulance. Ambulance ithatha isikhathi ukufika. Fonela ubhuti wami ngithi come. Sicela ngikhaphe esibhedlela manje uKarabo akekho. Mangimthatha vele akamove akathini ngigijime naye esibhedlela. Ngifike esibhedlela vele ngithola udoctor alright. Agijime nami sigijima asizama ukumtesta ukuthi maybe upreg uphuze ini something amdonsa igazi agijime naye. Athi mama ucale nini ngimtshela ukuthi hayi man around 7:30 ungenzele lento le. Maybe esibhedlela ngifike ngabo 8:30. Athi alwe doctor until it was 1 o'clock. Athi mama ngiyamthatha manje I'm not going to give up kulo mntwana. There's something about this child. I'm not going to give up, mom. Athi lo munye but she's flat. Athi mbheke. Athi I'm not going to give up on her. Asibiza abakhulu futhi manje. They called a doctor bamzama ukumphamba. Athi uphuzeni I don't know angazi. Kanjela kanex. Ngazi. Mina ngibuye emsebenzini. Bazama doctor as doctor bathi this is the best one. Esinayo. Mphampe amdraine afake ipipe kuye amdraine that day. Athi mama mbohlala lapha because mawubhiza umbone yangidistract. Ngihlale lapha phansi. That's okay. Ikhona iphayisi elincane. Lapha elentuzane there's this light elincane kulento eminyama mama. Asizami. Ngizomfaka ku ICU. Ngithi at least asizameni. Lo munye mama keep on praying. I can feel ukuthi uyakhuleka. Uzokhuleka. Athi I will also pray mama. Sasambe simikise ku ICU bamfake vela amapipe. It was mine that Tuesday, I think Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday avula amehlo. Ube ne movement. Masithandaza sibambisana. Amehla wavule nje kancane but she could not move lento. okay fine. Saturday sibuyele futhi esibhedlela. Masibuyela that Saturday. Hayi saka yasijabulisa ke manje at least i-movement la ikhona. Athi usister uyayibona lapha mama i-movement ikhona. Uyazama uKarabo kulo. Asibuze ukuthi siyifamily enjani athi ngiyanibona ukuthi neyifamily enibani yena because ngingena lokuphuma lo ngingena lokuphuma lo ngingena lo ngithe I hope avuka athi but mama ngizocela ukuthi whatever situation eyenzakala uyiphakamele because no wami umntwana wayenzakala lo umntwana ilento eyenzakala lo mntwana wakho. It's okay. Angimasuphuzeni. Umngani wakasho ukuthi hayi man. Yazi uKarabo was the one bekangisupporta mina. I also tried to commit suicide. But yena uyowalwa ukuthi ngayenzi lento le. Support was uKarabo bekasupporta ngafuni ukubona omunye umuntu azobuhlungu. So mama Karabo why Karabo ngenza kanje mina uthi ngisale nobani ngithi hayi man nana kuzoba right. Uyambona manje uyavuka hamba umbona. Shuthi yena afike late. Sina sesingenile kuKarabo. Athi yo mama Karabo uvukile Karabo une movement ngithi hayi une movement. Asitshela ukuthi size nogogo. Shuthi beka ngeoxygen on Sunday Saturday athi nize nomama G. Sasa ngifuna ukunibona nonke. Sithi yasizoza vele sonke si on Sunday siye nomama mvele because they were close nomama. Karabo bokumntana okhulekayo uthanda ukufunda amaBhayibheli ozokupha iadvice but ngiyazibuza ukuthi yena wayangayisebenzisanga kuye wayangarichanga naye kubanye abantu. So on Sunday sonke man ahlale ngiyibunu but ayisimkhiphile amaphayiphi simkhiphe ngo-11.
She's speaking.
Now she's speaking Sunday. Karabo simbambe yenza ama-jokes nathi ngihamba nobaba omncane wakhe. Athi yo yini manje le ifaka ubaba omncane. Hayi kahlekwa vele. Hayi sijabule nathi. Baphume ngisale naye. Athi I'm sorry mama. Askisi kukuzwisa ipain bengikuzwa. Askisi kukuzwisa ipain so ngithi it's fine Karabo kwenzakaleni. Athi mama kwenzakale u1 or 2 camping. Mina I'm tired. Umuntu onje bebangibringa down. Khathele. Ngithi mara wayengakhulumanga. Athi ngikhathele every time kuzoba yithi singathi sithanda impi. Ngithi you should have said ukuthi kuyenzakala kaso ngasukuma. Wathi hayi ngiyakwazi ukuthanda ukudla.
So this is the first time when you hear about the stories ako camping kayena.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngithi athi ngiyaxolisa. Ngiyaxolela mntana. Manje sifocus ekupholeni kwakho. Asibize vela biza malume wakhe athi hayi malume awutshelela bo doctor. Like ngiyabona ukuthi ingcondo kancane iyahamba yabuya yabona. Athi kumalume batshele ukuthi mina sengifuna ekhaya. Ene mina ngilambile. Akhe siba na excited ulambile at least ke lo mntana simanzile. Sibuza bo doctor manesi ukuthi singarasha ukuthi siye mall simthengele something. Athi no angeke simdlise today. Ngicela sicaleni kusasa ukumdlisa because manje siceda ukumkhipha amaphaphi sifuna ukubona ireaction yakhe. But konke kuskuni mama umchamo wakho uyawubona unjani everything. Uthi mina kungcono. Ngimtshela ngithi akusasa ngizoya emsebenzini mangibuya emsebenzini zokuthengela yonke into oyifunayo. Because ngihlali iviki lonke ngangayi emsebenzini
because of
gym.
Yeah.
Athi okay. Abiza umamkhulu wakhe. Athi hamba ke wena. Abiza umamkhulu wakhe. Hlale nomamkhulu wakhe isikhathi vele babhizi bayaxoxa because you even wayohlala nomamkhulu wakhe for almost 6 months. Amtshela naye ukuthi angisafuna ukubuyela kulesa sikolo. Mamkhulu ngicela ningikhipheni in like mamkhulu ayimani Karabo siyabekezela simeni kancane in. So mamkhulu wakhe naye bekamthanda beka close naye. So makambiza mkhulu wakhe sisijabulile phela ukuthi
Hey, but she's fine.
manje hayi mntanethu right. Sihambe vele sibuyele endlini. sonke sijabulile ugogo wonke umbonile wonke umuntu usibonile samhaga wasitshela ukusithanda sonke siyamthanda. Around 12, yeah, I think it was around 12, ngireceive call.
Same day le fetsa go mo bona le sharp
Yeah,
and all that.
at night ngo 12 receive call, ring call, ringa ngiyibheke. Ama instance wamangitshela ukuthi I don't know this number. It's ngistore kuqala ngafuni ukuyiphendula. Ngithi no. Ngistore, mangistore ngicheke ku WhatsApp. Because kusebusuku ngilele. 12 o'clock. Hey. Ngistore ku WhatsApp. Ku WhatsApp appear omunye umuntu. Ngithi yo. Ngcoke. Thatha isilamba ngisifake. Ngikokotela umama wami endlini. Ngikokotela. Maka ngivuleni mama bayangifonela ki. Hi mama Karabo njani? Hey, we've been trying to get hold of you. Sicela urush uze esibhedlela. It's okay, no problem. Uzokhona ukufika ngenza ngizofika manje. Fonela usisi wami. Ngithi asirash esibhedlela bayasibiza. Athi yini ngithi hayi. Isa. Because sike sashonela usisi basibiza esibhedlela. So mina kimi sekungitshelile sekufikile kimi ukuthi mama uzama kuba strong but for me ngithi sifike esibhedlela vele immediately angibheka lapha ya ayi click maklicka ngithatha iswami ngimfake kule side leli ekitchen lase ICU ngithi hlala la. Ngibize umfana lo athi angihage unesi because bebangithanda babona umntana nami neskin sakhe bathi lo mntana uphuma ekhayeni li yabona and nesupport befika lo mfana angihage makangihaga ngithi I'm okay athi can you pray mama ngithi sengithanda sele ngicedile ngikhulumile naye sekuvumile ngiyavuma ngiaccept akahamba umntana nami siswami akasakhoni abasakhoni vele kufika udoctor vele afika udoctor ngihlale naye vele la basifake eofficeini bakhulume nathi ngithi no it's fine athi udoctor ngizocela ukuyenza i-postmortem because iyangiphazile indaba kaKarabo beka out of risk so manje nje kenzakala so kenzakaleni it's okay because I don't know ukuthi une choice ukuthi uyayivuma postmortem or awuyivumi. It's no problem ungamenza postmortem. Thatha siswami akakhona ukwenzana ngiphumele naye ngaphandle. Athi ngicela ukuyombona ngikuhamba umbona. Asimbona vele usashisa. Simbambe vele. Fike ngikhuleke mina. Ayiphumanithi ngikhuleke. Ngicela ukukhuleka nje ngimcelela uNkulunkulu ukuthi amasethe cela nje ukuthi ngicela uNkulunkulu ukuthi amasethe ngikhuleke vele siphume sibuyele endlini ever since life yethu yamoshakala lapho. I don't know ukuthi bengishocked or ini but family now was the strongest one even today. That's then managing it.
I'm so sorry about what you guys went through, especially after seeing Karabo come out of the risk and, you know, Abuwe.
After lapho kezama ukwenza indlela ukuthi simncwabe ke Karabo. Sizame vele ukuthi ayangcwatshwe. Okay, siyo-inform isikolo. Because this is the situation. The new acting principal athi, yo, I wasn't aware because the old principal bekasahambile. Athi, I wasn't aware, mama, what's the situation kanje? Can I have the names and everything? Ngimnikeze magama. Okay. Sizozama ukuba sathola labantwana nothisha. The kids mangizwa bathi they were suspended.
The teacher who did what she did camping and the 3 kids.
The 3 kids are involved. And yet there's
Oh,
this teacher and the 3 kids.
Yeah.
The kids were suspended to school when teacher was not suspended. Ne? It's fine. Ngisho ngumuntu omnyama. They came endlini, they promised some social work, counseling, do you know mina? I don't know, I'm an instance one. Give as you know, my baby figure mina bengathanda ukuhlala nabo.
The school.
The school. The teachers and the principal. Bengathanda ukuhlala nabo. I'll just ngisukume ematrasini ngishiya umamkhulu omntwana. Ngizimela ngaphandle. Baze bangicela ngelinye ilanga ukuthi ngicela abacela ukubona umama kaGarabo. Ngaya ngathi nangu mama kaGarabo. Bathi ayingathi usigwatele ngathi yini engizoyikwatela. Why bengathi angifuni ukubezwa? It's because why abantwana basuspendiwe? Why teacher
And then the
ngasuspendwa?
teacher,
Why teacher ngasuspendwa?
Yeah.
Then you can see ukuthi from there. So yazi ukuthi
There's
nothing. Okay, fine. Sangwaba. It's fine. Ngahamba isikhathi. Hey. Day number 3 siqeda ukungcwaba uGarabo. Principal knock at the door. Hey man, sine problem yazi ngomntana la endlini. Hey umntana la endlini uphula amafasteri ushisa isikole.
you.
Day 3. Siqeda ukungcwaba uGarabo. Hayibo. Kanjani manje?
All of a sudden,
Yeah.
out of
Ngani
control.
umntana lisendlini saka out of control. Okay, fine. Sizomkhuza. Kanjani? Ngotlo umntwana bebala endlini. Labantwana bekho right. Bahlalela amafoni wabo abekabi right esikolweni baba phiviki. Manje saba uphume nini yena lo wayophula amafasteri. Simbiza umntana athi angiyenzanga nje mina. Okay, fine. Sifolewa up. But no. I-allegation phela le.
That's an allegation.
But I akusuku. Okay, fine. Phula amafasteri.
It's them again saying it's not him.
Yeah, sisiya follow up thina. Yithi manje umndeni so follow up lapha. Okay, fine. Same month Karabo shonile. Azange ngamonela mina uKarabo wami. Ngigijima ama police station, ngigijima ama court. Ne? Same month. Hi. Maybe kube yi2 iviki abuyele lo wami. Lo baba kasisi wami because isibanenge ekhaya siyi10. Abuyele Monday shoot umntana kasisi wami alala eklasini while the teacher was teaching. Ne? Basibize. Ngithi no, bakubizile. Sambe seyithusa esikolweni. Ucala ama prelim ngela esikolweni. Sithola isikolo si distracted. Singene thina se office azange zonaka isikolo. Abantwana bafolile ini gcwele ama parents nani. Angizange ngizoyenza le ngizoyenza. Singene office. Masingene office bathi hayi umntana lona eklasini ya misbehavior nani omunye wentombazana another one the Makakula
Yo.
second Makakula manje sekaya distracted.
They're not even giving these kids a break because banaba they're still in mourning phela. Basantsane balalela Karabo.
Exactly. How okay. Ayisizokhuluma naye in nami ngisese business zami ngisho. Ngithi fine. Ngiye lapha ya ngisitshela ukuthi ngizokhuluma. Ngibatshela ukuthi nina niyakwazi ukusibiza. Mara le ngifuneke ningibizele yona ningibizi.
There's a pending matter.
Yeah, ngifuna nina ukuthi ningibizele le. Ngifuna nina ukuthi ngumuntu omnyama. Langengihlanye ngithi hayi ngumuntu. Yizo uzoexplain ngifuna ukuzisite lakho. Ngifuna ukuzisite labantwana. Ungipromisile ukuthi uzohlala nami nalabazali nabantwana. Sizwe abantwana sibathuma abantwana ukuthi bayenze izinto. Umntana endlini ubayile ngaphandle abayiloko. Ngisijele kanjani? Ayihlala. How? That day ngibuye esikolweni. Manje mangiphume epolice station ngizwe angazi uyini lo baba lapha epolice station but uyi something. Ngiyahlika uthi nayi culprit ethi ihleli esikoleni khona manje iyobhala. First paper yakhe eprelim umfana.
Okay.
Hayi ngithi kusisi wami ngihamba nosisi wami. Ngithi le it's so it's about umntwana. Do you know ukuthi waboshwa umntanethu walala emasayilini womfana?
Because of incident that uthubile di festeri udirileng.
Yeah, bathi ubully uthreatenish uthisha.
Oh.
The teacher obeka bullish umntanami. Bathi manje yena umthreatenishile. Ngithi mina you knew all about this thing. Why ningangilindanga nathi mamncane kaZibani sicela ulinde kuza amaphoyisa? But no, we were trying to serve him a protection order wa refuser nani. Ngithi protection order ni save kuphi? Esikolweni or funeke ni save under I guidance yomntwana. Yabazali bakhe.
Because ki minor.
Imina lento le. Leni yenza I wrong. Ngimthumela esikolweni ukuthi azofunda hayi ukuthi nimdistract bamthatha umntwana. Babhala incwadi kuphume emaredweni nani. Ukuthi 5 kids were arrested, only 1 kid umntanethu. Le 4 ipi le kule 5 kids arrested. Umntanethu manje sekuyibhuli esikolo. Sokuyiye distract isikolo of which mina ngifika isikolo si distracted.
All of a sudden.
All of a sudden.
Magagula is.
The magagula bala baphezulu manje. Due to wena mawuyibhekile umuntu ufihlani nifihlani why ningalethi labantwana nothisha why ningangihlalisi phansi nginiphili offer ukuthi I just want to talk to them, I just want to ask ukuthi why they were doing it. Angibophisa umuntu mina angenzi next.
And at the end of the day it was the right thing to do ukuthi they come to you tell you gore this is what happened, this is
besidlala ngikhohliseni ithini benidlala naye.
At least they try something, don't keep quiet.
Yeah, at least Richard give me if mina ngiyan reject that's then but ngizameni ukuricha kimi aba Richard nothing has been done until today.
The teacher is quiet as well.
The teacher is quiet and they know ukuthi ubani igama ngibaphila amagama ngibaphile ilentuzana. Next.
Instead they're coming up with
stuff. Stories after stories. Umntanethu uza akabhalanga prelim.
He was in prison.
Yeah, boshisiwe ngisho. Boshisiwe wabhailwa. Then makazobhala I think it was economics or accounting, I don't know. Wafika futhi amaphoyisa bathi uphule amafastera futhi again. I-code of conduct yesikole ithini? Angisho bekose basebenzisa i-code of conduct yesikole ukuthi okay fine. Uphula amafastera, let's ask them good can they pay amafastera na?
Instead of
drastic measures kanjalo vele nina niyasigijimisa ema-police station. Okay fine. Umntana athi hayi cha le angiyenzanga. And I'm not even allowed ukuya kulesa sikolo bangibhalele i-protection order. Umntana ubhala kwesinye isikolo. Ubhale only i-first paper zangayibhale, i-second paper wayibhala. I think because azobhala i-third paper. Bayaphinda futhi bayastrike. Umntana ever since asangasaphinda buyela ibhala.
So they basically ruined his life.
Ngishonela abantwana abayi2 ngo2025
because they taking something away from him emotionally, mentally and otherwise.
Akasekho right. 2025 ngishonela abantwana abayi2. Karabo shonile? Shonela ubanele futhi. Shuthi kahle kusele lo ongasebenzisi lesibongo sika Magagula manje uyenza matric. Kusele yena.
Yo.
Mina ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi yini protocol abayifollowile
as a school?
As the school.
Because
nothing.
They have to follow.
SGB mina izanga kimi. Ayikaze yangibuza. Seyizwa angisho manje kusasama allegations. Akakabini angisho kusasama allegations. Why bangezange ngizongibuza ukuthi mama yini in
what happened?
Yeah. Mama yini singakusiza ngayo.
Even if they act shocked, they must just come and see what happened.
Yeah. Okay. Abo ama-counselor because isikolo ngisho sirana nabo ma-counseling abothisha babo ma-LO and yini uhelp abanikezela abantwana bethu? Nothing. Kodwa bazile endlini ngokufa kwaKara kusithembisa ukuthi bazosipha ama-social worker bazosenzani.
And they didn't do that.
Even today thina because sesizwa ukuthi manje bathi umntwana wethu wenza kaso nakaso. Sisi wami wakose ukuthi azame one of the friend ukuthi can you go to the school and find out ukuthi kuyenzakalani ngabantwana bethu oyi social worker.
Oh.
That sister waya kule social worker yathola ukuthi kuyenzakalani labantwana balimele mosi. This kids nizamile phela thina bantu abamnyama sisitshela ukuthi ukufa kunormal. Angisho sisitshela lokho but iya destroy abantwaneni bethu. And said makafika lapha ya instead ukuthi bamsize no bafuna ukumbomba ukuthi hey umntanethu ubanele uyenza lokhu. Athi I'm not here for that. I'm here for labantwana. Now manje bangibizile abazali bacela ukuthi bacela sizwe ukuthi kuyenzakalani.
Mara guys, the school should know gore ga ngwana a ka hlokafala like a cousin or abuti or ausi, automatically they become affected. Akere it's there. They should know gore Banele was also affected in a way. They shouldn't have come ba arresta Banele within. Or even come for whatever they came for.
Angifuna ukutshela manga mina khani ngathi ngicala ukumona uKarabo second month. First month bengigijima ama police station mina. First month ngigijima singazi ukuthi senzeni singazi ukuthi size simbuze noJehova ukuthi kanhle kahle senze thina siwoneni la emhlabeni. Abasasimele ukuthi siphole le
nqeba. 3 months nyana before they can start accusing another child in the family before.
Manje do you know ukuthi and anytime ngizophinde ngibuye ku podcast ngobanele uzocommit suicide because the pain is too much for yena.
He can't take it.
Skolo siyamfila bambomba ngezinto angazazi bathi uyi gang member what uyirana it. Why manje sekurana ubanele I gang? Why manje? Why now? Why all along? The previous principal was the most strictest principal. Ngabe kudala amxosha umntanethu.
He didn't see all of that.
Why angakubonanga yena? Why kubonwa ilaba ese case yakaKarabo? Sekune case ye bullying. Now bayabona and yet abafollow nomthetho. Yet abafollow umthetho wesikolo.
So before Banele has never had
nothing.
Yo. So this is evident for these people are just trying to cover their own tracks.
Before bengana inkinga. Before besingana inkinga besiphila kahle. So shuthi ukufa kwamntanami kusenzela inkinga or kusivusela amancebo or kwenzakale nefamily nethu ukufa kwaKarabo. Mina ngike ngisho ngithi kanti Karabo ukufa kwakho kungenzeleni because akunanjabulo ekhaya. Instead ngabe siyahila. I don't want to tell you I'm going through depression. I'm taking meds now manje depression. Ngine forgetting memory. I'm no longer performing emsebenzini. I can also lose umsebenzi wami. I'm no longer performing emsebenzini. Ngiyakhohlwa. Ngihlezi ngisesizini ngihlezi ngikufike ukuthi if ifoni yasendlini yaringa ngiyathuka. Ngivele kwesinye isikhathi ngibambisa umuntu oseduzane ngitlalela la uze ukuthi bathini. Umama basamcabangela umama even the last scenario manje nje bathi bazomthatha ubanele uphule futhi again amafastera wesikolo manje recently angisho waphulela oqala uyaphinda futhi accuse ngokuphula futhi amafastera now ne okay fine mawafika amaphoyisa umama athi no lo mntana uboshiwe ngeke futhi siphinde futhi engesini obvious akafuni do you know ukuthi amaphoyisa bathatha umama ona 80 bamphunzela le the one who serves to protect bashaya ubanele phambi kwefamily.
They beat him.
Yeah, phambi kwefamily bashaya ubanele bashaya umama mngemva. Umama mlabe kadabulele ngiyabuza nimshayelani bathi siyadelela. They came with the attitude yalo yamuntu loyo because angisho manje wena uzotshela abantu just ukuthi ugain crowd. Uyenza crowd ngathi ngisho. Yeah, they came with the attitude yokuthi siyadelela lapha. Sidelela senzeni. Manje ngisho sesiku the notorious Magagula. Yeah, so
they're putting you on the spotlight. So that the main issue must not be
shielded. So we understand ukuthi nje mina for mina amaphoyisa setsakani for mina personally.
For you, they failed you.
Mina angwabona nje they serve to protect me.
So regarding Karabo, did you ever try to open a case, be like
okay ngihlangane nalomuntu ophethe icase yakhe ngisho already sekune case evuliwe ngisho under hospital ngisho I don't know much about these things mina ngisho ngimbuze ke ngithi kuzoba ne case athi ya mama sisazo investigate vele leso kuyi case so we'll need a statement sakho I will call you we'll need a statement sakho then you can open the case indlulile inyanga yaphela inyanga yokusi2 nothing chuthi kahle it's a dead thing phelile
They
don't care I'm still waiting for the call.
So you didn't do any follow-ups, like go to the police station?
I went ngisho ngiyile kuye ngazama ukumfonela ngaya kuye ngambuza wathi wangiphendula ukuthi hayi mama from la sizomela postmortem izositshela then after sivule case what
Postmortem itswile
ayikakaphumi
okay
ayikakaphumi angazi ukuthi seyiphumile because mina vele angisanyatheli nyawo lami Tsakani police station angiyazi ukuthi iphumile angisamfoneli because nami manje sengibabona ukuthi nabo should ba against it.
Yeah, because now the Banele thing, I get it's a distraction, honestly. So it's becoming too much. It's
14 nathi obvious asikakapholi ekungakapholini kwethu nisibhomba ngokunye izinto niyasiphonsela it's too much sibantu sidinga healing asinayo healing
and alena le closure for Karabo
let alone yazi I didn't want much ngifuna side lab kuthi why guys why niyenzile okay besidlala mama kaKarabo okay fine ngisunkulunkulu angeke nginijudge nami nginezono zami zasemhlabeni.
The main question from me the teacher, and how did the teacher get involved in something so I mean banane when we talk about kids we're talking about kids kids do stuff but now there's a whole adult that was supposed to
protect umntwana loyo amthandeza umamakhe. Uthisha makazothi ni babi Karabo mnyama in front of the class expecting laba basemuva bahleke.
And how is this child supposed to look at you like Karabo tshwantsa mo lebelele as a teacher going forward after she says all of those things to her?
Angazi ukuthi beka expecting Karabo will bank class la loyo teacher loyo with the friend because Karabo ne friend vele bebaba bullish ne friend now akakhona uku-accept. But I'm trying to tell her ukuthi yazini kuzoba right now siyakufaka kulento ukuthi uthole usizo now uthole counseling now mntana.
Are you getting counseling, mommy?
Yeah, mina ngithole counseling for emsebenzini.
Okay, that's better. I want you to tell me what you need help with, what you want to see happening with Karabo's case, and just talk to the other camera and tell the world what you need.
Okay. As bengibhalile kuma TikTok and everything. Mina I want to see justice for umntanami. I'm fighting for nalabantwana abashona babhulishiwe bangazange abazali bakhona ukuma njengami ngimile. Mina manje ngifuna ukubona ugovernment ne-education idlala indima yabo. Protecting labantwana esibanikeza bona for 9 hours. Ngifuna ukubona namhlanje ukuthi ugovernment wase South Africa ne-education iyakhona ukuprotecta labantwana esinabo na. Mina ngifuna ukubona ijustice for umntanami and justice for laba abanye abantwana abangazange balithola ababhulishwa then azange bathola usizo abothisha because abothisha bayabalimaza abantwana bethu. So I want South Africa ukuthi ama lawyers and everyone who is willing to help me angisize ngajabula mangalithola usizo. I thank you.
Well, guys, there you have it. For me, this was the most emotional episode following that other one, the first one. So, as Mamaha Karabo has said, please, guys, just take her number. It will pop up on the screen and contact her. And as well, I will leave her contacts and everything on the description box so that whenever you want to, refer, you go there. So she needs help, guys. She needs closure. It's one thing to losing a child the way she did, and you are here asking yourself, what is the justice system doing about it? Nothing. So if you are sitting home, you are a lawyer, pro bono, anything, just come forward with any information. As little as possible is going to go far. just assist where you can, because we do this to open platforms like this to help mostly and to heal where we can, and also to raise the awareness, because right now we basically saying if you're a child at home and you're bullied at school or whatever that's happening to you, come forward, talk to your parents, seek counseling, do something about it before it gets to a point where you are now like, I don't want to do this anymore. You know, this is Karabo is speaking through her mother. Do not do what Karabo did. Unfortunately, Karabo is not here with us. Now the family is going through it. If you are watching this and you are at home and you are bullied at school, talk to someone. Karabo woke up and she said something. Imagine if Karabo didn't wake up to say exactly what happened to her. The mother would be here with a lot of questions. What happened to Karabo? Why did she do it? You don't want to be the one to leave your parents with such questions. It doesn't get easy. It's going to take time, but the awareness is here. We are raising the awareness. Thank you so much for watching. I'm your host, Mabato Mutswani. I'm going to be tapping out. And if you want to come to the podcast, you can take the number that's popping on the screen right now. Write to us, and I'll leave the number on the description box as well. I love you.